Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Square API for inventory and orders step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for the Square API, first, navigate to the Square developer dashboard. Log in with your Square account credentials. Once logged in, find and click on Projects in the top menu. Select an existing project or create a new one by clicking New Project. Now, give your project a name and select relevant permissions. After setting up your project, you will see your application's details. Locate the Application IDs section, where you will find your Square application ID. Next, scroll down to the OAuth section to configure your redirect URIs. Add your redirect URI here. This is the URL where users will be redirected after authentication. Once the redirect URI is set, click on Save at the bottom of the page. Now you need to generate your access token. Go to the Credentials tab within your project settings. Here, you will see the Access Token section. Click on Generate Token to create a new access token for your application. Make sure to copy this token, as you will use it to make API requests. Proceed to the API documentation for Square to understand the endpoints for inventory and orders. Familiarize yourself with the necessary endpoints and parameters for your API requests. Now, you can start integrating Square API into your application using the authenticated access token. Ensure to handle token expiration by implementing a refresh token mechanism if needed. Lastly, test your integration thoroughly to confirm that everything works smoothly with inventory and orders. You're now set to use the Square API for your application effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.